completed BEC in Indira Gandhi College of Engineering Technology for Women in Atur. My passed out year is 2017. I have joined QSpider on August last 27, 2021. I have completed manual testing and SQL in QSpiders. Shubham sir helped me a lot and encouraged me a lot, and he guided me very easy to get a job in IT industry. I have feared that I scared that I have more age year gap for to go into the IT field. So I have more fear to go into the IT field, but Shubham sir helped me a lot to attend the interviews. Presentation and the mock interview are more helpful to get a good job in IT industry. Thank you for Shubham sir and QSpiders for giving me a wonderful opportunity in IT industry. Thanks a lot.